the wave smoothly between light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep, you're getting stuck in the light, shallow stage of sleep and not getting into the restorative and regenerative phase of deep sleep. And as a result, your body is thrown into metabolic hibernation, slowing your metabolism to a crawl as your body holds on to every single calorie. To make matters worse, when our circadian rhythm is broken, our stress and weight-regulating hormones go haywire. Levels of the hunger hormone, ghrelin, skyrocket, giving us extreme cravings for sugary and fatty foods. And the levels of leptin, or fullness hormone, plummet, meaning we eat much more, way beyond the point where we normally would feel full. Plus, stress hormone, cortisol, becomes hyperactive, causing our bodies to cling on to fat and hold it in storage. As you can see, this all makes it physiologically impossible to lose weight, no matter how much you diet or exercise. Let me ask you, have you ever noticed after a night of bad sleep, it seems like your hunger is tripled? And the only things that can satisfy those irresistible cravings are the sugary and fatty snacks you've been trying to avoid?
University head of research chimed in now.
What Dr. Brown is saying is 100% true. In fact, a recent study performed by our colleagues at Stanford proved that when your circadian rhythm is broken, it's like all your internal systems are jet-lagged. The study revealed, and I quote, that our fat cells actually sense whether we're staying on a circadian rhythm. So just like Dr. Brown said, when your circadian rhythm is broken, your body is forced into metabolic hibernation. So you can't lose weight, no matter how hard you try. Now, you might be wondering how you got so unlucky. Why is this happening to you? Let me tell you, you aren't alone. Far from it. The USA's Center for Disease Control itself reports that 1 in 3 American adults don't get enough sleep. And the real number is significantly higher because chronic circadian disruption is unavoidable in the world we live in today. Modern technology, artificial blue light, genetically modified foods, pollution, and Western lifestyle. The constant onslaught of communication, bright blue light, and stimulation from technology like phones, billboards, TVs, computers, and iPads completely disrupts our circadian rhythm by tricking our brains into thinking it's daytime well into the night. And toxins from heavily processed, poorly manufactured, and genetically modified foods, as well as pollutants and microplastics from engine exhausts, factories, dirty water, and power plants, raise our adrenaline, cortisol, and other stress hormones further, completely shattering your circadian rhythm, destroying your deep sleep, and slowing your metabolism to a crawl. It's no surprise that the dramatic surge in obesity over the past 50 years coincides exactly with the industrial, sugar, fast food, and technology revolutions in this country, and shows absolutely no signs of slowing down.
We were right after all. It was just like Mama said. Broken circadian rhythm is the real root cause of all our unwanted, unexplainable, ugly